What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Been a while since I made a video because I had to take a break because I didn't feel like making videos, not motivated, etc. etc. So, what I'm gonna do is fantasy draft. It's a rebuild. I'll explain what type, but we're rocking with the Bulls. It's a 5 minute rebuild because I know some people don't like trades because, like, one of our friends, Jack, he don't like seeing a lot of trades. Wow, we got the first pick. So that's Giannis or Luca. We're gonna sim that, but it's a 5 minute rebuild. We're gonna see if we can win a championship, and I might even play a game. I might even play a game. Like if we're in an elimination game, like say we're gonna lose in five in the conference finals, I might play a game, try and get us out of that slump. Or from the finals, I might play the last game, etc., etc. But it's a 5 minute rebuild. I can do whatever I want to rebuild. That's a rebuild, so I'm not gonna be able to read the chat for a minute, so them two can talk to themselves. I need to make a timer, that's why. Alright, let's go look at the team first, and then I'll start my timer. So it is Giannis. Okay, I see Giannis. Malcolm Brogdon, Halliburton, Whiteside, Wiz, Winslow, Barrea. Not bad team. Giannis is a dub. I'm gonna do this first. This isn't counting towards the time. Go up at any position. You should go up. You'll go up. Stays the same probably. Yeah, stays the same. Goes up. Stays the same. Alright, now, let me get my 5 minute timer up. I'll try to put a timer on the screen. If not, you can figure it out. Time starts. Jack, seriously? Jack, I'm gonna play a game later. We're not in the playoffs. Why am I gonna play a game when it's mid-season when I haven't even done anything to the team? That make no sense. Alright, the 5 minute starts now. Alright, first thing I want to do is get Brogdon out of here for maybe a better guard. Zach LaVine popping off in real life, plus you get Derrick Rose, trade 3's not bad. Depot, Chris Boucher, also not bad, trade 7. Kemba, maybe. Caris LeVert, praise to him, because I forgot what happened, but praise to him. I want D'Lo as a 6 man, but I feel I can get him later, so I'm not even gonna do that. The trade I like here is this one, but can we do it without giving up such a good player? You want Lucas Samanik, whatever his name is. They want to pick JJ Barea, Mike Muscala. We'll get back, yeah, sure. Alright, so we have Zach LaVine, Derrick Rose. I think Derrick Rose will stay as a backup. Now, what I want to do is get rid of Eric Gordon, package him with his first round pick, and get a young guy with it. I guess Halliburton, but I don't know. We might actually get some really good. So, for a power forward or a small forward, shooting guard, Drew Holiday as a point guard would not be bad. 13 is something to consider. Who's our shooting guard? Zach LaVine, not the best defender. Okay, let's get rid of Halliburton, because I'm not rocking with Halliburton. That's too much. We will give you instead Bobby. How much time do I have? Three flipping heck, 3 minutes. Oh my, well. Alright, no, okay, they don't want to do it. Okay, they do it. Alright, now, what have I got? I need center. Chief center off the top of my head. Oh, this is stressful. Bam Adebayo. Rockets. Bam Adebayo. Where is he? Whoa, Rockets have heck a cap. Okay, who else can I throw in? Whiteside? Portis. Picks. Oh my. Hold on, I'm pausing the timer because my settings weren't right. I'm allowed to pause that because I'm changing this. And do this. Alright, I had to pause the timer for a minute because my settings were not right. I had like, you know, all the trade restrictions still on, which really messed me up for a second, so I'm trying to get Bam Adebayo. Come on, 3. Okay, we can't get Bam. We can't get Bam. That's crazy. Alright, another cheap center. Clint Capella plays for Warriors. Chris Boucher plays for the Knicks. Warriors. Clint Capella. Can't even speak. Justice Winslow. We will also give you... Flip. Cody Mine, sure. We'll give you late first. Second rounders. Alright, fine. We'll give you this first. Bruh, I can't. Bro, this is costing so much time. DeAndre Ayton. Okay, let's go off the Boucher. Go off the Boucher. Next. Shoot. You giving me back. Bitch. We give you back. Damari. No, not Giannis. Bembry. God damn it. Why? Give us a key then. God damn it. Oh man, I've thrown this. 20 seconds. Damn it. Muscala. Oh my. Give us Ish. Thank you. Okay, we have point guard, shooting guard, small. You know what? Yeah, the team's... I'm allowed to change the positions back. That's the timer. That's 5 minutes. But I'm allowed to change these positions. I think Giannis is going to play small forward. He'll go back to backup. He can play power forward. And I think we're good. This team is not going to be the best, which is unfortunate. But what we can do, just make sure none of these guys get a lot of minutes, and we should be good to go. Give Giannis the heck of minutes. I don't know if this team can win a championship, even though we're a good team. Favoring my boy D Rose, yes I am. Can D Rose? He can make point guard, shooting guard. So I'm gonna move Halliburton to small forward. Please tell me he's tall. Yeah, he's tall. He can easily run small forward. 6'5", easy. Alright, now let's do the boring stuff. All this, run in transition, crash. Do I have shooters? Nah, so we'll do that. Get to the basket, Giannis, number 1 option. System proficiency, grit and grind is okay. 7 seconds is okay from Boucher. Defense is terrible, Zach LaVine's. Alright, we need a balanced coach. We're going to go sign a balanced coach. Sorry, Billy Donovan, but we need a balanced coach. We'll give Trent Peterson the bag. Alright, balanced. Everyone's fairly happy on balanced. It looks fairly good. Don't think there's much else to do apart from get Simmons, so we'll get Simmons. And I'll see you at the end of the season. The team was pretty good, considering it took me what, 5 minutes to build, and that's probably because of the man on your screen. Giannis, what am I saying? One MVP, 28 points, 14 rebounds, 7 assists, 2 steals, 2 blocks, good field goal. Yep, definitely because of him. LaMelo, Rookie of the Year. Derrick Rose, 6 man. There you go. And him, probably. 17 points per game, 2 rebounds, 6 assists, or steal. Decent percentages. DPOY is Giannis. Oh, we got 3 awards. Most improved, Chris Boucher. Jumps up to 12 points, 9 rebounds, assist, 2 blocks a game. Good percentages. 4 awards, technically, if you count coach. There's Giannis. Do we have another one? No one? We do have 2 all defensives, though. There you go. Drew and Giannis. Not bad, not bad. We'll have a look at the stats real quick before we sim the playoffs. Giannis, you saw those stats. He was incredible. Zach LaVine was incredible also. I'll just do it this way. Zach LaVine was incredible also. Decent shooting splits. Derrick Rose, you saw those. Drew Holiday was there for his defense, but could have shot a little bit better. Chris Boucher, you saw his stats. Bobby Portis did actually pretty well considering. Whiteside was alright. Halliburton, not the best, but I mean, it's alright. We run with it. We're up against Boston. We'll have a quick look at their team. OG, Donovan, that's a good team to be fair, but they are good. We'll simulate round and hopefully take them. Come on, Bulls. Okay. Do I play this game? You know what? You're getting some gameplay now. You're going to get some Game 7. I know it's only the first round, but you're going to get some Game 7 gameplay from the first round, and then I'll just simulate the rest. Because if we get knocked out here, I won't be able to play a game, but, you know, now I actually get to play the game. We're going to put Drew Holiday there. I might as well do this one. No. I'd rather do it this way. Yep. That's what I'm doing. Julius Randle in real life has been a problem so far this season. OG is more defensive, so I just put Bobby on him. Giannis is a Doris Bear defender, defensive player of the year, reigning in real life and just won in the game. So it's game 7. Are we at home or away? I don't know. We'll figure out in a minute. We'll see whose court we're at. Oh, we're in Chicago. So we're at our home court, which is for sure an advantage. It feels so weird seeing OG in a Celtics jersey for whatever reason. It just feels so weird then seeing him. When that... Sorry. Zach LaVine. Oh yeah, Zach LaVine's just back on the Bulls. Weird screening, but alright. Oh, good pick and roll. I'm not the best of bigs, so I'm gonna hit Drew all day. I'm lucky I have D-Rose come off the bench, not gonna lie. They have OG on him, which is very smart, because there's an M1, though. OG is probably gonna give Giannis a bit of struggle. Boom. 3-point play. Of course they're gonna hit Donovan. Oh, Drew. Oh, what the dunk. You didn't even have that much space to gather momentum. That was a good dunk. Oh, it looked nice at least. That's all I know. It was also a good steal, good play in general. I knew they were going to get a screen. Giannis, what? Oh, I tried to get the block. I'm actually, yeah, hit Zach LaVine. I don't know where his 3-point is, though. And you know I love shooting 3-pointers. Where's Giannis? There he is. I might have to... Oh, the speed is incredible. The fact that he managed to hit that layup too is just crazy. No pick and roll? Oh, surprised. Because they always wanted blooming pick and roll spam. Always want to get screens. Man, give it to Zach LaVine, bro. Goddamn. If only Giannis could shoot threes. That's the only thing we don't have. Our team has absolutely zero. Oh, good steal. Our team has zero spacing. That's not good. I have to check something. Hold on. I have to check. I have to check 3-pointers because I need to know. Giannis' 3-pointers. Okay, Zach LaVine's looks fairly good and so is Drew's. Okay. I need to know who can shoot and who can't. Let's take it slow on this possession. We don't have to force nothing crazy. Get up there, let's go. I was kind of panicking the end of that shot clock, but we moved out. Damn. We getting D-Rose? Yes, sir. D-Rose back in Chicago, too. Beautiful sight to see. Pick and roll, of course. Blooming pick and roll spamming, man. Luckily, we got the block. Very lucky we got the block, not gonna lie. We have some blocking beasts. Boucher and Whiteside. He won the only people to get triple double with blocks. I only know that because Clint Capella got one like a day ago or 2 days ago. And he was added to that, record, obviously. LaVine! Let's go. He's been on fire in real life. On fire, dropping like 40 pieces every game. What's that? James Johnson, the black belt guy. The one who people don't want to smoke with. Don't blame him. Is that good? Oh, that was that wasn't even green and I had the swish on it. Beautiful. Derrick Rose. Derrick Rose. Dun, 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 Derrick Rose. Who is that? Christian what? No. I don't even know what that is. Who am I even guarding, bro? I probably should know, I just don't recognize. Oh, D Rose, what a block. Let's go then. Alright, I don't know why my center's on the perimeter. Okay, power forward, but still. Don't know why. D Rose! There we go. Use some of that explosiveness. Up by 9. Nice. We'll shoot. I don't really want to bring on none of these people. Man, I'll let them bring on who they're gonna bring on. I just hope they're not gonna be stupid and bring on. Okay, no, they're not. I forgot we don't have enough small forwards in our rotation. Good defense. Good defense again. The fact that we chose to take Giannis out is quite stupid. We'll get the rebound and we'll put that back up. Bad release, but we get the putback off the rebound. Oh, it's Lou Will. I was like, hey. It's because I didn't recognize his hair. I forgot to change his hair. It's Lou Will. Oh, and that's Otto. They have a decent team. You can see why they were, like, good. I don't know what he's doing. He's gonna have to shoot from half court at this rate. Oh, right side. That's why you got the block thing, which I talked about earlier in the video. Levine! Oh, damn. Gas and space. Okay, never mind. Malik Monk is not gonna let us get no space. Flip it, I gotta put something up. Ah, a little bit of a bad shot. A little bit forced. Not a little bit forced, definitely. It won't let me go forward for some reason. We're by 9 at the end of the first. I'm chilling. D-Rose, green layup, why not? No. Try to get a steal. I was gonna say, good defense at the end before the buzzer, but I was gonna say you're lucky if you hit that three. Very lucky. We're cooking them, booking. Shout out Drew. Go on. Halliburton. I seen him doing his thing with the Kings. Clutch, I think. I'm pretty sure he's being clutch. I don't know, I might be tweaking. Oh, Nelly. It's because I went to the right a bit and he was like... It was a good play by the AI or the player, you know. But it was a good play. They just saw the gap of me just making a slight move and they were like, yeah, I'm exploiting. Which is fair. Oh, what a spin move! That was a very acrobatic layup, but it worked. So I'm not complaining. Where would you put the smaller guy in at shoot? Shooting guard. I don't get it. Oh, that was almost good defense. Smaller guy, you know, smaller. A guard and a center won't work. That's the only problem with this team. You ain't got, like I said, you ain't got spacing. Everyone's an okay three-point shooter. You ain't got no sniper. You can go like, okay, he will hit the threes. Maybe Zach LaVine and Drew. But you got playmakers, energetic guys, defense. We've got defensive player, two all first, defensive first team players. And blocking beasts in Boucher and Whiteside. And we have the defensive player to be honest, so they have a good defender though. Man, I'm gonna let them make the subs they want. I ain't gonna mess with that. I just hope they don't bring just stupid subs on. Giannis, do I pull up for free off with Giannis? Nah, I don't. He's a beast, bro. You saw how that play went, how covered he was. He's just like, nah. Nah, G. Bobby Portis got the blocks too. Ooh. Oh, man. Bad pass, bad pass. It's unlucky, though. I don't know why I want to shoot a free with Giannis for some reason. Nope. That's why I don't. I don't know, Giannis even had a step back, too. Bad shot over an elite defender. That was terrible. What? Who blocked? How'd that happen? Yo, I'm gonna check some. Oh, it must have been Randall. Let me check. Who was it? Yeah, it was Randall. He poked out his hand. They're doing stuff. I need Zach LaVine. Or Giannis. Because I know Giannis as well. He's Giannis, isn't it? He's dominant. Almost post faded off the over the backboard. Damn. Man, I gotta tighten up on defense. What a step back, and that's a green. Let's go. That was a nice step back. Ah, my players are getting tired, not good. It's not good. Really not good. Who's coming on? Zach Levine, so my starting lineup's just on. But they didn't even get over Bobby. Ah, that's tough. That's tough. Oh wait, it's Tristan Thompson. He ain't gonna shoot no goddamn three. Anyone else they're pulling up there? I swear, Zach. I know I gotta stop doing this, but I swear Zach Levine tipped out his finger. No, just give an animation almost like he did. Fair enough. Alright, goddamn. Who's that? Oh, it's Donovan Mitchell. Alright. Pull up. Oh, I thought it was gonna bounce in. It didn't know. Evidently. They're playing well. That's a good step back and that's good. Let's go. I was gonna say, Drew should let you be defending Donovan. James Johnson gets some points. Step back. Oh, might be a bit of a bad step back. A dumb step back, I should say. Oh, steal. I'ma yeet that. I'm yeeting that. Giannis Antetokounmpo, the Greek freak, out of Greece, throws down the reverse alley-oop. Donovan Mitchell's a very sick player. That's why you gotta watch him so much, because he's gonna do stuff like this. Like that. Out of here. Giannis, run it. Throw up to Bobby. Bobby, we'll take the layup. I wanted it to be a dunk. It would have been looked nicer, been cooler, but we'll take a layup. It's fine. We're heating up. Oh no. Get Donovan. Lou Will misses. Run it with Giannis. I'm gonna hit Zach Levine back. We're gonna step sideways. Levine! That was a good step. Without that step, I ain't going in my opinion. Boom! Exclamation point on that. Put it on. 0.6 seconds left. He just goes to the athletic slam. We're up by, I don't even know, man. What are we up by? I don't know. 12, 13, 15, if I done my maths right. We're up by 15. Zach Levine balling. Man, shout out Shaq. I don't know what he's doing, but shout out. Alright, we're back in for the second half. We are up by 15. after the first half. Zach LaVine, hit that. Let's go. He has been playing phenomenally this game. We almost got my backcourt then, or like a 8-second vial. Randall, what are you doing? No, man. Donovan? Nope. I don't know what I should do. Oh, take the step back. I already saw space. I was trying to create more. That was a bad idea, though, I guess. Bad release, too. Nope. Oh, flagrant! I can't agree with it. That was a stupid foul. Bad foul. Bad foul. That's deserved, in my opinion. Oh my. Can we just talk about this block? I want to talk about... Nah, we're talking about this block. I don't care. Look at how high Boucher gets. Look at that! Look how high he gets to block that. That is incredible, bro. That's why you got 2 blocks a game doing stuff like that. Jesus. That is incredible. Go on, Giannis. Hit that. Oh. I was gonna... Man, I should have shot. This is kind of deep, but I'm feeling it. It almost went, to be fair. It went horrible. Giannis, I don't know if that was 100% a foul. It wasn't a one. 3 subs are coming in. D Rose, Whiteside and Harden. So Giannis goes off. Holiday goes off. Boucher, no. Poise. We'll hit that. Apparently we won't. That was a bad shot, to be honest. Yeah, we need to... what the commentator said, we need to chill the flip out. I'm just taking dumb shots at this point. There we go, that's a smart shot. That goes. I didn't realise Zach LaVine was this good, bro. I might have to get him in more rebuilds, or more when I play, because he's sick. Don't know why I fouled there. Carter's not going to shoot a 3, is he? They're lucky they don't have a 3-point shooter. Unlucky they don't have a 3-point shooter, sorry. We're lucky they don't have a 3-point shooter in that corner. Whiteside could have probably contested that a little bit better and a little bit earlier. We'll hit D Rose. See what he can do, my boy. Oh, that's beautiful. Go in, D Rose. Yes, contested layup's good. Can Boucher get a steal? Oh, wow, the defense. The get back on defense was phenomenal to stop that. Halliburton. Bit of a weird 3-point shot you have, I'm not gonna lie. But, or jump shot. Oh, I don't know why I didn't get the green then, because that looked like a green animation. It felt like a green. I didn't get green, so I don't know. Oh, Zach LaVine. Oh, Zach LaVine! Out of nowhere. Let's not forget, this man, dunk contest winner. Even though he's been shooting 3s, playing crazy from 3, all that stuff. Don't forget his dunks. This man's dunks are this blooming world. One of the best dunkers in the NBA. Right now. Mobbed him. Zach LaVine was the one who got the foul. Of the 2 big men who were there, Zach LaVine gets it. It's both. Flip. Step back. Ooh, got your bum, got your Eddie Rose layup. Let's go, Derrick Rose. I was gonna let him shoot three. I was gonna do this when he shot the three, close out. James Johnson, you may be a sick MMA guy, but you don't want that shot, bruh. Levine, nice layup through contested traffic. Zach Levine is one heck of a player. Oh, get that. Teach him. Do some. Reverse? What? Hey, it's some. Beautiful reverse. 2 steals in a row? Go on. Oh. They call a timeout. He needs some milk. No, I'm joking. To be fair, we're up by 21. So. You know, they can do the subs they want because I'm not going to mess with it. There's too many options compared to what my team does. Where's Drew? Bro, D Rose and Zach Levine are tired. Go on, shoot. Blocked. Out. Oh, man, that's my fault. Damn it. Sorry. Maybe we can get a steal here. Nope. Go on, have a shot. Can someone explain to me why Chris Boucher's takeover is like sharpshooter? That's sharpshooter. Hold up. Come over here. Get out here. Get on the 3-point line. How is this thing a 3-point shooter? Is he secretly good from 3 or something? Mad. But, yeah, why is this thing sharpshooter? Man, I don't watch the Raptors, so I don't know. I'm a Lakers fan. But, that's cool. I didn't know that. Oh, that's off the dribble. That's off. Boosh. Oh, he has a career, my son. Boucher, you didn't have to do him like that. Let's watch this again. Look at, oh my god. I might even use this as a thumbnail, bro. Blimmin' heck, what a poster. Out of all the people to get a poster on my team, low-key Boucher wouldn't be that high. I'd say Giannis, Levine. Actually, he'd probably be third. Because if it was old D-Rose would be probably first. But, nah. This D-Rose doesn't dunk that much. Because he's a lot smarter on his body. I'm going to take the flipping heck. You can see athleticism on that. The athleticism he carries is crazy. And they just fumble that. James Johnson, I am sorry, mate, but what the heck was you doing then? It was terrible. It was absolutely terrible. Drew's back out there. Levine's off. D-Rose is still on. Oh, Giannis gets a steal. You know what? D-Rose. Oh, he may not be able to dunk it no more, but that was a very nice lip, if I do say so. Just a little tap. That's all I needed. Low hand in. Get him the 8-sec vial. Get them 8-sec vial. Oh, man. Backcourt? No. Dumb foul. Luckily they're not a bonus and not going to go free for a line straight away. That's an un. That's so unfair. I'm sorry, Mitchell. I love you, bro, but that's so unfair. Giannis guarding Donovan. Other way, it probably would have been unfair too, but they just didn't do nothing about it. So, wow, good defense. We will chuck that up. Okay, D Rose, I thought you were gonna cut to the basket. Now you made me look like a ding dong. Still mess with you. Just don't make me look like a damn, bro. Why you switch so weird? Cue one man on the other man. Don't just keep going. Yeah, he's gonna mark him. No, 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 no. He's gonna man. Keep him on it. Deep three. Contested. Yep, off. Low-key doesn't surprise me because it was a bad shot. D Rose, unlucky not to get there. It's a bit unlucky. But it's alright. You know what? Yeah, like I said, I keep forgetting they can do the subs they want to do. I'm not gonna do none of it. Oh, what a pass. Let's go. Bobby Portis has actually been decent. Boucher has been someone I've been very impressed with, very happy with. He's been sick. I didn't realize he was this good. He's a good player. I liked him before, I knew that, but I didn't realize he was this good. Put someone on a poster, got a couple blocks. Just played well in general. Nothing special. Actually, no, yeah, something special. What am I on about? There's another block for you. Put someone on a poster, bro. Bobby. Getting back-to-back layups and back-to-back trips down the court. Nice. Sad though. I can only build like a 8-man bench. That's all you need. We have a center, a shooting guard. No, we have a center, small forward, point guard, shooting guard. Don't need nothing else. Point guard slash shooting guard, I should say. Don't need nothing else. I'm okay with Giannis playing the whole game of power forward. I'm okay with Boucher playing the whole game of power forward. So you don't really need another one. Too open. I was thinking about it. I was like, am I too open? Yeah, I am. Donovan Mitchell is cold. Of all the people on that team, he's cold. Wow. Okay. What? Oh, we couldn't get the ball back, but that was a phenomenal. I want to get a replay on that. I'm getting a replay on a bunch of stuff, but that was a beautiful block. Like, let's look at this. Look at the... Hold on. Let me find a good angle. Look at that. Man just comes out, whacks it. Unfortunately, Anunoby hustle. I respect. He got the rebound. Hit Giannis. Man, I'm taking that. I know Giannis ain't got the best jump shot, but I'm taking that. You don't just leave him open. On the three-point line, I can understand more, but mid-range is much... Damn it, why don't we switch to Boucher? I was trying to jump. We're up by 20... No, 19. Basically 20. OG, back off, bro. There you go. Take that. Hit that. No, D Rose gets a rebound. Yes, D Rose. We're gonna spin move. Figure that way. Spin. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing now. Giannis! Nah. Unlucky. Unlucky mush. Oh, bad foul. It's alright. They're gonna get an M1. It's alright though. Zach LaVine's back on, man. Surprisingly, he's been carrying me because I really like the way he plays. I didn't realize he was stupid. Like, he is, wow. If he has a card on my team, I might have to get it because he's very good. Good step back, and then that's good. Another, okay, that one a green. He just did an animation. Zach LaVine. Get a clamps on, son. Oh, God, I wanted to steal there. And you just let Jeff Teague go. I don't know Jeff Teague start bounce like that. I really didn't. That's surprising. It's like 33. I'm not saying once you turn 30, by the way, you lose your bounce. I'm not saying that. Giannis hit that, go on. Oh, Giannis, yes. But I didn't know he's 33. I'm not saying once you hit like 30, 32 plus, you lose your bounce, because that's evidently not the case. Look at LeBron, look at Flip, I can't think of Rudy Gay, I think has bounce still, a bunch of people, but didn't know he could still get up there, to be honest. Good finish, Levine, and traffic for the layup. Kinda wish it was a close game, because then there'd be maybe a game winner moment. That'd be stupid hype, but we'll take the blowout. We'll take the blowout win. Go on, Donovan. What are you gonna do? Oh, he hit that. He getting disrespectful with it. Even when he was cold. Oh, wow. Cold, he hit that. Levine. Very dumb shot. Whiteside barely at the jump, bro. That shows you how tall these players are. He ain't even the tallest in the NBA, and he didn't have to jump. Backcourt. Well done. Up by 21. 21 Savage. Oh, we have out the bench players. For God's sake. Oh, my Nelly. Flip it, you know what? Take that. Bro, why? Martin versus Martin. I didn't realize the other Martin was on that team. They're twins too. For the memes, go on, Martin. Dunk on your brother. Oh, get the foul. His brother just is gonna whisper some stupid stuff in his ear from childhood. There we go, worked. Green the second one now. You know, we're gonna... Should we simcat? Nah, I want to see the celebration. Good block. Blumenik. Alright, we won the game by... What is that? That's 18. So we get then 7. The reason why the end was probably cut out the last minute or so, because they put the, like, people who haven't gotten the rotation, the reserves, bench player, I don't know what you call them, but they put them in, so it's probably cut. Zach Levine went off. 31 points. 3 steals, bro. Giannis did his thing. D Rose did his thing. Drew Holiday helped for sure. Bobby Portis did his thing. Halliburton did his thing. Boucher, bro. This man, his stats don't do him justice how good he felt to use in the game. 4 points, 6 rebounds, assist, 4 blocks. 4. That's crazy, bro. That's actually crazy. Alright, hopefully now we can make the finals. I was going to say if it's normal teams, we're going to have to go up against Nets. But it ain't. Well, we do have to go up against the Nets, coincidentally. But it's not the Nets we know. The Harden, KD, etc., etc. Okay, come on. We don't lose this. We don't lose this. I don't care. Embiid might be a bit of a problem, same with Kemba, but we don't lose it. Because Giannis is being guarded by Joe Blummin Ingles. You don't let one of the best players in the world be guarded by Joe Ingles. Yeah, get out of here. No. It's KD team. It's KD team. Decent team. Decent little team. But I think we got him. We'll go game by game, but I just think we got him. Yeah, get him out of here. 4. Boom, cool, finals. Against the Grizzlies, Markelle, James Harden, Kyle Kuzma's going to guard Giannis. I like Kuz, don't get me wrong. But up against Giannis, oh, yeah, for sure. Oh, 1-1. Okay, okay. Let me not talk. Let me. Whoa. Okay, I want to make sure we win this. James Harden. Where's he? We're gonna play this sweat mode because we have to. Drew Holiday is gonna be on him. That's what's happening. Christian Wood. We'll put probably. Where is he? The block god. There he is. I'm saying we'll put. Actually, flipping, may as well put Giannis on him. It's not. I swear they don't have a better big. Yeah, they don't. It's James Harden, and that's it. He's the only one who's like beasting. Spain. What happened last game then? Tell me. Harden, Kuzma, Are you fucking serious? Bruh, are you good? Who played bad? Giannis was pretty bad, I'm not gonna lie. 11 to 23. Bro, how long Josh Jackson 20 minutes put up 20? Or 7? Man, come on, bro. This team's good. Bagley. Alright, we'll put Boucher there. Fultz. Put Zach Levine. Out the bench, we shall put Whiteside. Josh Jackson can be guarded by Halliburton. Kuz. Can Drew Holiday? No, he's not going to be able to guard the thingy. That ain't going to happen. I guess we put Halliburton, then we put it as D Rose can guard Josh Jackson. That's crazy, bro. Come on, team. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Chicago. We get out of there by 1. Wow. Oh, wow. That's crazy. James Harden drops 46. There you go, and chat about him off the court, but he'll come and drop 46 on your head. That's a fact. Come on, Chicago. Come on, Chicago. Come on, Chicago. We're up. Chicago. Oh, I want to jump in to see his celebration. God damn it. Alright, 1. Giannis Finals MVP. What more did you expect? That's why I'm in the finals. Drew Holiday went off. D Rose. He shot pretty well, actually. I can't really complain. Chris Boucher. I might have to pick him up in more rebuilds. On more teams. Because he was phenomenal. Phenomenal. Wow. I'm surprised. For some reason. And I've been known he's decent. But I'm surprised. Well, that's going to be the end of the video. We completed the challenge. 5-minute rebuild. You guys can try it if you want. See if you can do better than me. Beat teams better. You know, build. You know what I mean. Build better teams. All that. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to Spectral channel on YouTube. SPXTIL. Type it in the search bar. Should be able to find it. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.